Hey, good evening. Hope everyone is safe and sound. So, today, as you can see, I'll be doing my What's in My Bag video, and the bag gets Roadster. This is my work tote. I carry this every day to my office. So, just without wasting the time, let's just dive in. So, the first thing that I can see is a scarf. The bag has one main compartment. There is a separator in between. They have provided it to keep the laptops, but my I don't find it so useful because it does not have any cushion in there. So, but I just love this bag. It hold a lot, a lot. You'll see. So, what I divide my bags into two things. Here I keep all my pouch stuff, and here I keep my books and diaries that I need in my daily life. So the first thing that I can see is my water bottle. This is not the bottle I used during the day. It's just so that I don't, if I feel thirsty while traveling, which is 15 minutes of the office travel, then I use it. So it says do your best. The second thing is my calculator. Okay, don't judge me. It's my socks. Usually I keep 3 diaries always with me. Okay, this is an extra diary. I don't know where the third one is. It must be somewhere lying down. So this is the diary. I don't carry it on a daily basis. This is that part of notebook in which I have all my details related to the income tax returns and incomes, other expenses, the loans and everything. So I keep it right now. I'm just keeping it with me because it's a time of return filing, and I have bunch of things, bunch of returns to be filed. Yeah, so this is one. Second is my work diary. I just note everything that is required to be done. As you can see, like everything, and if I complete that, I just mark that out. As you can see, most of the things are not yet been strike off, but I'll try to get it done. So this is my work diary. This is my professional diary. This is like a diary from ICI, one of my institute, and I hold all my professionals related notes in here. When I talk about the professional notes, it doesn't mean I just write notes in this. In this, what I plan for next month or next year in my professional life, like if I have to do any certification, if I want to go for any coaching classes, for any lectures, for any webinar, I just jot all that down in here. Plus, if I find anything like any judicial pronouncement, any other facts that are related to me and that are important on the daily basis, right? So I also jot down that into this. So this is that diary. Second is, oh, I got this. So this is my daily routine diary. This has everything written in it if I have to do it on that day. Even if I have to wash my hairs, I have to arrange my wardrobe, I have to write down a mail, anything, I have to call someone, I just write it down here. If it is not written here, I'll just probably forget it to do it. So it has everything written in here, and I usually do it and I just cut it off. Yeah. Oh, this is an income tax act, because I'm a person who doesn't believe in going through in nets and doing. I prefer a book on the go and love reading it. So this is pretty much done in here. Oh, one more. Oh, this is one of my favorite thing in the world. This is Boroline, and this is an amazing product. It saved my dry skin through everything. Yeah. Next in here, oh my god, it's too heavy here. So first is my wallet. It's my Bagot wallet, and it's been gifted to me by my brother. It has 3 sections in it, in which in this I keep my diaries, and in this I keep my some cash, and this is my coin holder. though I don't have many in it. Some cash, my work ID. I have my DSC in here, some IDs, some debit cards, some credit cards, some metro cards, and oh, this is a phone holder which I bought from Amazon, though it does not work, so still I keep it here. Oh, I just want to show you this. So this is a multi-tool which I bought it from Amazon. It has screwdrivers, it's had a cap opener, box opener, a ruler. So it's a multifunctional tool, and I love this product so much, and it's so compact, it can fit in any bag of yours, even a small clutch. This bag also has a zip at the back, and it has my pen, pencil, and other stuff like that. I usually keep this as is because if I want to like go to the bank or somewhere else, so I just carry this out. I don't carry my whole bag with me. The second thing what I can see is this pouch. This is my pouch in which I keep all my receipts. Next is a similar pouch. In this I keep my emergency medicine. I never leave the house without this, or I never leave anywhere without this, because it's have my inhaler and my anxiety pills in this. So this is very important for me. The next thing is my stationery pouch, and it is customized by me, and it holds everything that I need on an emergency thing. So everything, it has Fevicols, Fevisticks, staplers, correction tape, highlighter pen, then red, green, blue pens, pencil, some pens, cello tapes, paper cutter, rulers, sticky notes, everything in it. So this is such a good investment of mine. And the pouch is, I think so, it's of 60 bucks or 70 rupees. So I love this pouch, and it's really helpful. Next thing is, I know it's a quite long bag. So next thing is a satchel. I'll just show you what's in there. It has my dry shampoo, an extra pair of pouch for the scrap, shoe shiner, hand cream, coffee, hairbrush, Tide to Go, toothpaste. It's a hydrating stick. I also love this product. It's a sugar product, and it's great for dry skin. Synthol deo stick, silver pearls, designing tapes, some hair tie, and it has I have dental floss. It has the cap of the floss, and it is Abu Fast. If you know it, it helps me in migraine and headache. So that's the in there. The next thing I can see is the power supply bag. It has my it had my power bank, and the cords, the OTG cable, and some extra earbuds. So this is that. And next is my makeup pouch. Though I'm not a makeup person, but I just keep it as an emergency. It's a quite blingy pouch. It's just opposite to me, but it has lots of stuff in there. Yeah. The first thing is I can see is a safety pins, MAC Studio Fix, a mirror from Bobbi Brown, pen highlighter. It's lipstick from Maybelline. It's an excellent shade, just the way I want. It's a lip primer from Sugar, a lip gloss from Bobbi Brown, hand cream, a mini this is a prep fix from MAC, a primer from Bobbi Brown. This is a mascara from MAC, a MAC small lipstick, tiny perfume. That's pretty in there. Next, I think so that's over. So just let's see what's in there in the middle compartment. Oh my god, it's quite full. Okay, it has my prayer beads. This is my after bite roll on, a P-Safe sunblock. It has my I keep my watch in there. Sanitizer, a box for my safety pins and hair clip, mint, mouth fresheners, hair tie, cuticle oil, face mist. It's from Sea Secrets. It's quite a good face mist. A deodorant, an extra diary. I don't know for what purpose. I keep my visiting card, tissues, metro card, my keychain, it's pretty much in there. Okay, so a moisturizing lotion, a diary for my cards and photos, a toothbrush, okay, some more wipes, hair tie, one more diary. So I'm a stationary person, as you can see. Mint, fresh mint, and what's else in there? It's a face mist, one more, okay. In this I have my photos, my working ID, visiting card. So in the middle section I must have something. So in the middle section I have my feminine kit, and this is an emergency kit. This also I prepared. I bought this transparent pouch of 10-20 rupees. Then I have kept 2 or 3 masks in there, one pair of gloves, and a small Dettol hand sanitizer just for emergency, so that if ever I could like forget my mask, my sanitizer, I run out from my sanitizer, so I just have them. So this is pretty much in my bag. I have some other cards as well. I will not show you that. Okay, there's one more zip in there, and it has some more feminine products here, so I'm not sure. So this is this